Now we start to present you some of the most important tools that you need to use when you want to work with VBA and get information from the internet. So if you use these tools, you will make your life easier when you want to retrieve information and when you want to create your routines. So first of all, if you want to know here the DOM of this table, the best way to do is you can check the code here. Click on this as I did, like see, or you can do the following. You go to this tab and look for developer tools. I have in German here. Here you see you have two pans, or even two pans here. Okay, and here you have all the list of elements included here. Okay, these are important one is this is the bugger window where you see here if there are errors. Here you want to see if the network, how is the network connection. Here you see all the HTTP response when you load the page in a browser. See here you have this URL is this one, it's been downloaded, the result is 200, that means it's returned and is a text type. Okay, here we have some more details. The header text, okay, the text, or the HTML text, parameter, if any, cookies, and so on. You can really here get all the information. You see the results. If I loaded a page, all these resources are loaded from the internet using the get mode and the HTTP protocol. And you see here you have the responses 200 means okay, it's returned. Okay, here the bugger, you see if there are any errors, and these are displayed here. Okay, but this is not the scope of this course. Here even the console, you see you get the error if there are errors. What is important for us is the element, for this course at least, is the element tab, which is going to give us the HTML document, okay, which is turned into this user interface view. Okay, this is what we see as a user, but this is the HTML document which arrives from the web server to the browser. So this is the response, the HTTP response to a request done by the browser, by the user through the browser. Okay, and it's an HTML document, as you can see here. The great part is that here you have all the hierarchy. Okay, you can get all the HTML element you can see here. Okay, and if you check on this, you click on this one, you see that you are also brought to the navigation part. Okay, the related part is also highlighted, you see. Oh, if I'm gonna do this, okay, have this HTML, you have some iframes. Okay, this one is a div. Okay, here we have the footer, this one, then we have this one. Okay, every time I highlight one of them, the relative part is also highlighted. The great is that if you click on here, element, choose element here, when you click on this and then you move on this and you select a part like this one, okay, you get the relative HTML element. So you already know what is the table. So my table is this one. Okay, the table is the table with ID customers. So let's see, body TR, you see I select the row. If I click on TR, TH, I select here this one. Okay, if I click on TH, and I have all the TR, just I expand here the nodes and I get this all. You see, you get all this. So I already know what is that I'm looking for. So in VBA I know that I need to find a table with this ID and get all this information inside, for example. So I know, you see, you have already the DOM, so the structure, okay, already broken down. Okay, it is like this. So this is a very important tool. You get in the here, okay, developer tools. Here is in German, we have developer tools, or even if you close it, so you just type Shift F12, okay, and here the software tools or developer tools are displayed. The same is valid also in Chrome or in Firefox. If for example in Chrome, Shift F12 here, or you can type here other tools, developer tools, you get the same, exactly the same. Okay, yeah, you select this, so they are one a copy of the other. Okay, you select the part, okay, and you get the elements that you need. Very simple. Okay, but this is very powerful tool that you need to use. You see also here you have the single elements and the classes in CSS here.